My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake survey alerts related to the site Adsdeadbank.live. Adsdeadbank.live is a malicious site that attacks Google Chrome, and it may also affect other browsers. Adsdeadbank.live displays fake survey alerts which try to make you share a lot of your personal details. Interacting with these fake surveys is strongly not recommended. If you share your personal data through these fake surveys, your personal data may be granted to third parties illegally. So do not share your personal details through these fake surveys and do not interact with them. Just leave this page, and we also recommend that you carefully examine the system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.